So, ayan na guys. Yeah. Oy, careful. Yan na yung bahay namin guys. Ayan yung makama ko. So, dito guys ay home care. So, ito na guys yung aming bahay. You okay there?
Yeah.
Si Job at si Abraham. Yan ang bahay namin guys. We're home. There's nothing yung gate. How about your shoes?
But my shoes.
Tip your shoes there. Lots of sun again. Ayan, marami na naman siyang buhangin na dadala.
I'm not sure the shoes.
No, do not throw. So, ayan lang po yung vlog namin for today guys. And maraming salamat sa inyong suporta at sa pagpanood. God bless.